Today we're going to install a new camshaft positioning sensor on a 2013 Mercedes C250. Alright, I just made a video of how to remove it. Now we're going to install the new one. Here's the new one. There is the replacement part. And let's go ahead and open this up. There it is. As you can see, it is identical. So let's go ahead and slap this sucker right up here in its location that it goes. Before you put it on, as you seen, I stopped because it looked like it has an O-ring in there, and it does have an O-ring in there. There it is, the new one. So you want to make sure that this O-ring comes out. Let's go ahead and remove that. Alright, and there it is. You want to make sure this O-ring is off. Now we're ready to insert the new one. Alright, so there it is. I put the O-ring back in here. So let's go ahead and just set that to the side. Let's go ahead and grab the replacement, and let's go ahead and sit it in here. Just go ahead and wiggle it in till it goes all the way down. Then just match up the port to put in the screw. And let's go ahead and grab our screw and screw it down. You will be needing a 1/4 inch socket to tie this down. Alright, and there it is, the 1/4 inch. So let's go ahead and tie this bad boy down. Just snug it all the way first, and then we'll secure it down. Alright, there it is, and not too tight. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and plug in our pigtail, just like so. Secure the little clip. Sweet. Alright, the next step we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put this cover back on. And we're going to go ahead and hit all 4 corners. That way we make sure it's nice and secured and clamped down. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and close the hood. Alright, perfect. Now let's go inside and go ahead and clear that check engine. Alright, so let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. There it is. Let's go ahead and see the current faults. Perfect. Let's go ahead and clear that fault. Alright. Let's go ahead and refresh it. On this vehicle, we might have to turn the vehicle off and leave it on the on position. Let's go ahead and refresh it one more time. And let's go ahead and clear it. Every car is different. Alright. And we'll do it one more time just to make sure. It's green now. Let's go ahead and erase it. Perfect. Start the vehicle up. Check engine goes away. And it's green because it's still a historic fault until we do the drive cycle on this and complete all these monitors, and then we should be set. But other than that, we're good. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.